In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Good morning my dear students and welcome to your science class. I hope you all are good in health and are enjoying your online classes. This is the beginning of 8th week and today we are going to start the first lesson. Brace yourself of another interesting science class. In the previous lesson, we discussed all the exercise question answers related to Unit Number 1 Brain and Nerves, in detail. I described the human brain, sense organs and their working thoroughly, with the help of labeled diagrams. I also explained the questions and answers related to the amazing human brain, nerves, reflex actions and 5 sense organs. You all were requested to complete the written work. I hope you have submitted your complete work related to Unit Number 1. Today we will start Unit Number 7, Matter and the Water Cycle. I will start with the introduction to the topic matter. We will learn about the matter and I will explain 3 states of matter in detail. I will also compare 3 states of matter with reference to their particles arrangement. Let's start. The first question which arises in everyone's mind is, what is matter? Everything around us is made up of invisible bits or particles, called matter. All of us are made up of matter. Matter can be scientifically defined as anything which has a mass and occupies some space or volume. Mass is defined as the amount of matter in a body while volume is the space occupied by an object that has length, breadth and height. Matter exists in 3 states, solid, liquid and gas. These states are different from one another in many ways. Here, I would like to tell you something very interesting. Water is the only substance which exists in all 3 states on our planet Earth. As solid in glaciers, as liquid in flowing rivers and as gas in the form of water vapors. Now I will tell you how to identify 3 states of matter. The matter is solid if it has a definite shape and a definite volume. The definite shape means that it does not change its shape if you change the container. For example, your eraser maintains the same shape whether you keep it in your pencil box or on the desk. Definite volume means that it takes up the same amount of space, no matter where you keep it. A block of wood, an ice cube, an eraser, tissue paper, salt and plastic chair are a few examples of solids from our daily life. The matter is liquid, yet it does not have a definite shape but has a definite volume. Matter changes its shape when you change the container. For example, if you pour orange juice into a glass from a bottle, it will take the shape of the glass. Definite volume means that it takes up the same space, no matter where you keep it, in a jug or in a bottle. Honey, milk, juice, water, syrup and blood are a few examples of liquids from our daily life. The matter is gas if it has no definite shape and no definite volume. By no definite shape we mean that the gas changes its shape when you put it in another container. Take the example of air which is a gas. If you fill in the air inside a balloon, it will take the shape of the balloon. No definite volume means that it spreads throughout the space provided for it. For example, if you blow air into a balloon, it will spread throughout the space. The air in the balloon, bubbles in boiling water, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapors are a few examples of gases around us. There are a few things which we already know about the matter. These are important to be revised. All matter is made up of tiny particles. These particles are in constant motion. There are spaces between them. They are held together by forces of attraction. When particles are heated, they move faster. When they are cooled, they slow down. Now I will explain particles arrangement in 3 states of matter in detail. Look at this table. It gives a comparison of the arrangement of particles, movement of particles, The strength of the bond between particles and diagrammatic representation of three states of matter. Let's start with the arrangement of particles in solids. Particles in a solid are usually arranged in a regular pattern. They are tightly packed together. It means that there is very little space between them. Therefore, the solids cannot be compressed easily. The particles in solids vibrate about a fixed position, but they do not move from one place to another. There is a strong bonding between the particles of solids. Now let's talk about liquid. The particles in a liquid are arranged in an irregular pattern. They are close to each other. This means that there is not much space between them. The particles just slide over each other. Therefore, it is difficult to compress a liquid. There is weak bonding between the particles of a liquid. Particles in a gas have no regular arrangement. They are placed far apart from each other. Therefore, they are easily compressed. They move freely at a high speed and have the highest energy as compared to the particles of solid and liquid. They have very loose bonding with each other. This is all about the arrangement of the particles in solids, liquids and gases. Last but not the least, the homework. Now I will explain your homework. Please watch the video once again and try to grasp the taught concepts. Read your textbook page number 63, 64 and 65 and complete the given worksheet. This was all about today's lesson. I will see you in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.